Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can transfer money from Capital One to Cash App. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. So before starting, make sure that you have the correct plan or version that supports this feature so you will have full access to everything you need. So once you're on your Capital One, what you will have to do is, of course, enter your username and password and proceed to signing in. And once you've signed in, what you will have to do is you will select an account and choose transfer or transfer money at the top of your account page. So basically, you will just have to select external bank transfer, and then you will choose add bank account, and then you will enter the cash app account and then routing numbers. And then what you will have to do is basically just have to fill out all these details right here, and then you will just have to enter the amount to transfer, and then you will have to click either review or next. And then after that, what you will have to do, after you filled out everything, you will just have to confirm the transfer, and then the funds will appear in your cash app within 1 to 3 days. So you'll just have to click this button, and that's basically just it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.